Hello. One thing that has always bothered me in my kitchen is the gap between my stove and the countertop. It may not seem like a big deal, but every single day, crumbs, rice, vegetables, and other little pieces of food fall down in that space. Sometimes even liquids drip in there, and it's almost impossible to clean. I always have to move that stove, and doesn't something that I want to do all the time. So I start looking for an easy solution, and that's when I found these stove gap covers on Amazon. They have them in different colors. I got them in stainless steel. They have them also in black color, and they have two different sizes. I got the 23 inches because that's the size that I need for my stove. In the package, you're gonna get the user manual. Now I will set it up and I'll show you guys how it works. Installing it's very easy. There are no tools, no screws, no complicated instruction. You have to slide the cover into the gap between the stove and the countertop, and only takes a few seconds and you are done. I like how clean and finished my kitchen looks now. Before, you could always see that empty space, but now everything looks neat. It's one of those small changes that really makes a difference. If you're tired of finding crumbs and food stuck between your stove and the countertop, I think this is a great little kitchen upgrade. It's simple, practical, easy to install, and it helps keep your kitchen cleaner every day.